Welcome back to SG Riders, the place where we bring you the hottest updates from the motorcycle world. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Triumph Thruxton 400, a café racer that's bringing retro style and modern performance together in a perfect blend. If you love timeless design with a modern twist, this bike will definitely grab your attention. Design: classic meets modern. The 2025 Thruxton 400 takes heavy inspiration from the legendary Thruxton series. From its rounded headlamp and sculpted fuel tank to the minimal tail section, it's dripping with that classic café racer vibe. But Triumph has added subtle modern touches: LED lighting, premium paint finishes, and high-quality chrome detailing, making it as stylish on the streets as it is on the café strip. Engine and performance: small displacement, big fun. Under the retro skin, you'll find a 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that's built for everyday riding but still packs enough punch for weekend thrills. Expect around 40 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox. Triumph has tuned the Thruxton 400 for responsive acceleration, making city commutes lively and highway cruising effortless. Comfort and ergonomics for the long ride. Triumph has struck a balance between sporty café racer posture and rider comfort. The slightly forward-leaning position gives you that aggressive stance, but the seat cushioning and handlebar positioning make longer rides enjoyable. At around 170 kilograms, it's light and easy to handle, especially for new riders stepping into the Triumph family. Technology: modern convenience. Even though the Thruxton 400 keeps its retro soul, it doesn't shy away from modern features. You get a digital analog instrument cluster, ABS for safe braking, and a refined suspension setup for stability. The bike is built on a strong yet nimble frame, giving it superb cornering capability without sacrificing ride quality. Price and availability: affordable British icon. Triumph aims to make the Thruxton 400 accessible, targeting an affordable price range for riders who want that British heritage without breaking the bank. It's expected to launch in multiple color options, so you can pick a style that matches your personality. Outro: SG Riders' final verdict. The 2025 Triumph Thruxton 400 is proof that classic design will never go out of fashion, especially when it's paired with modern performance and technology. It's stylish, nimble, and perfect for riders who want an everyday bike with weekend charm. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders for more bike reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe and ride with style.